nobody gets hurt.
Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and if you want a smart home security camera which is also a doorbell for your home or even for your office, check this out, as this is my review of the Ring Video Doorbell. If you guys are new, how you doing? Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release high quality tech videos for free every single week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, let's get in the ring. Now firstly, a huge thanks goes out to the guys from IOT Asia once again for sending out this device. And if you guys are from Malaysia, Singapore and Hong Kong, this is a perfect place for you guys to get some great dose of some smart home goodness. Now starting from the unboxing, the Ring Video Doorbell comes with a two-tone colored box with the visuals of the doorbell on the left with some of the specifications on the right. Now looking at the back of the box, there is more specs over there. Then there's an interesting story about the Ring Doorbell on one side and the requirement and specification on the other. Now before opening up the box, you can just open up the blue portion of the flap that will reveal everything that comes inside of the box, which is of course the Ring Video Doorbell, the mounting plate, a screwdriver handle with an interchangeable sides for the Phillips head or the safety screw head. Then there's a drill bit, and this is of course to drill and screw the mounting blade to the wall if needed, as there are wall plugs and screws included as well. There's a leveler, a USB-A to a micro USB cable, a diode, and this is only needed for the wired digital doorbells. Then of course there's the instructions manual. Now as mentioned earlier that the Ring Video Doorbell is a 2-in-1 camera and a doorbell device, and looking at the build quality of the doorbell, the device feels very premium and has a very nice solid design to it. It is made of hard plastic on the top where the camera is and an aluminum material which is also weather resistant. Now as for the camera's spec, it has 180 degrees horizontal and 160 degrees vertical field of view, which also has a fisheye effect, and it records 720p HD video. Now video footage looks very decent during the day, and since the camera has an automatic infrared night vision, it is also really good under low light as well. Now the camera also has a two-way microphone with noise cancellation, which allows you to communicate both ways, from the person at the doorbell and from your phone, where the microphone was clear and nice.
Hello, are you at home?
Yeah, give me 5 minutes, I'll be out soon.
Now it also gives you motion alerts based on the customized motion zones, and if the person presses the doorbell, it gives you an alert through your phone, and if you have missed a visitor, you can always review the footage of who came visiting. And of course all these features are done through the Ring app, which is available for Android and iOS devices. And yes, through the app you can answer anyone who comes to your doorbell, no matter if you guys are at home or anywhere across the world, as the doorbell connects through Wi-Fi. And the doorbell is also fitted with a rechargeable battery which lasts up to 6 months to a year. And if you guys would like to charge the doorbell, it charges the doorbell between 4 to 5 hours through the micro USB port at the back, which is pretty neat. Now there's two simple parts of the installation of this Ring Video Doorbell. Firstly is for you guys to go through the app, where once downloaded, just sign up to create an account. Choose the device, where in this case choose doorbells. Then scan the MAC ID barcode at the back of the device. Add your location. Name the device to either the preset names or a custom name. Next, follow the instructions within the app, where first you'll need to press and release the orange button at the back. Next, connect the doorbell to your current Wi-Fi and you're done. Now the second installation is the physical installation, and since the great guys from Ring was really thoughtful of including all the tools in the box, so it's very simple. Where first you'll need to take the mounting plate, place the included leveler on the mounting plate and adjust it to your wall. Once it's properly aligned, mark the 4 holes to mount the plate. Next, use the included drill bit and drill the holes if you guys are mounting it on the wall, or you can screw it directly if it's on wood. Now place the wall plugs in the hole, then screw on the mounting plate. Next, remove the leveler. Then place the Ring video doorbell. Next, screw the security screws underneath and you're good to go. Now there's also a wired option where you can connect to your existing doorbell to the mounting plate to receive power from there, but since the power voltage is not compatible here in Malaysia or even some countries, the wireless method is easier than removing your existing doorbell, and frankly, I love this option even more. However, if you guys would like to go with the old school method, you can always add the ring chime. Now the ring chime lets you place the ring chime anywhere around your house as long as there is a power socket, and you can adjust the volume of the chime, change the ringtones by just adding it easily through the app, which is super cool. Now diving deeper into the app, it will first prompt you on the 30-day trial which has been activated. And at the home screen, you can view the logs for the doorbell rings and motion detection. At the menu, there's also options for neighbors or the community helping feed, the devices available, history, settings, and setting up a new device. Then by pressing the device in the list above is where you have option to view the battery percentage and other details, toggling the ring and motion alerts, and other options like event history, motion snooze, motion setting, app alert tones, and many more which you can always explore accordingly. Now there's also some other cool features which you might not know, as it's not really shown online, is the fact that the Ring video doorbell can be integrated with your SmartThings hub and also together with Sonos. And through Sonos is where you can get customized voice messages through the SmartThings app once you ring the doorbell.
Someone's at the door.
Now the Ring video doorbell is also compatible with Amazon Echo Spot and also Amazon Echo Show, where it shows the video feed just by asking it through your voice. And you can easily integrate it with the partner smart door locks like Kivo and Lockitron to remotely unlock the door as well. Now if you guys are thinking, what if someone steals the device? Well, firstly, just send in the footage, which you will be able to get it from the cloud through the app to the police, get the police report and email it to Ring, and you'll get a brand new replacement for free.
True story.
Now Ring is giving a 30-day video trial period, as there is the optional video recording service if you guys would want to, but even if you don't choose the recording plan, you can still get alerts when visitors press your doorbell or when the motion sensors are triggered. Now in conclusion, I really think that the Ring video doorbell is a really good device with all its great features. It is seriously one of those devices where you think you don't need it, as it was on my personal shopping cart for a really long time, but when you get it, you really realize how useful it really is. Now if you guys are wondering why I'm reviewing this Ring video doorbell instead of the Ring video doorbell 2, well, firstly, it's cheaper, and besides the 1080p video, a slightly smaller form factor and the removable battery pack, you'll get pretty much the same device with a lower price. However, if you guys would still like for me to do a video review on the Ring video doorbell 2, do let me know at the comment section below. And once again, a huge shout out to the guys from IOT Asia for sending out this device, and you can find the Ring video doorbell and the Ring chime and other cool smart home devices there as well, so do check out their website, which I'll link at the description below. Now Ring products are also available now locally according to states in Malaysia for you guys to get the devices easily, which as usual I will also link down below. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys think of the Ring video doorbell at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to ring the like button. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.